Hi folks, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. How are you doing? How's your family doing? Hope you and your family's doing well. Me and my family's doing pretty good, enjoying the weather, but doing pretty good. Yesterday I got up, ate my breakfast, lunch, and dinner, spent time with my mom, my family, and friends, watched some movies, waited on time to do the video. Now I'm doing the video. We got thunderstorms coming Thursday. It's going to be bad storms. It's going to have a lot of rain, wind, hail, a lot of lightning, thunder, hard rains, and heavy winds. Way they're talking, it's supposed to be severe. So I'm not looking forward to that. Not looking forward to that at all. But they're talking about bad thunderstorms coming Thursday. Bad ones. And I'm not looking forward to that at all. Not at all. But tomorrow night I'm going to look up a DVD collection. Show you some more DVDs and see what I can find, because I'll have to part them out and piece them out for each video because YouTube won't let me put it all on one video. I can't do it that way. Cannot do it that way. I have to part them out and piece them out to make different collections with. Different. Now, I can get out so much at a time for each video, but I cannot get out a bunch and do it all on one video because YouTube won't let me do it that way. Even though I'm a YouTuber, but YouTube won't let me do the video that way. I'll have to part it out and piece it out to make different collections. And like I said, with that thunderstorm coming, I'm going to stay out of it. Don't want no part of any thunderstorm. No part at all. I'm going to stay out of storm. That's right. Stay out of the storm. Always remember to always be kind and true, and always have love in your heart. Always respect others, and always treat people with respect. And always make a friend if you can. And always be there for your family and friends. They need you the most. Yeah. The most, folks. They need you the most. So be there when they need you. Be there when they need you. And more about the thunderstorm, I'll tell you a little more about it as it gets closer to Thursday. I'll tell you a little more about the storm. If the storm's going to be worse than what they're expecting now, or if it's going to be losing its intensity and stuff. But right now they're talking about it's supposed to be pretty bad. So, not looking forward to that at all. Not looking forward to that at all. Always remember to always like, favorite, subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.